So I may look a bit magical now. I have this unicorn transformation from a spec store. They said this is a one-time use, but we can do better than that.
You'll want to start off with a clean base to remove any makeup you have in the place. Then I'm applying spirit gum to the prosthetic and tapping on it to activate it. Next, I'm doing layers of simply cotton and latex. For every one layer of cotton, you want to add latex, and you want to start off and end with latex. I'm doing this multiple times, so then it just looks like skin, plus it'll help the horn stay on better. I'm applying some foundation to make it look like it's actually my skin and not just layer it latex and cotton. Apply body paints to make them look like redness and bruising. Speaking of bruising, Too Faced Cat Eye Jungle Love Perfect Bruise Shade. Finally, you want to add some blood. I like it to drip from my eyes, from the horn, everywhere possible. And yeah, you're done. Quick and easy. Lovely look.
So kids, next time you want to say I want to be a unicorn, don't do this. Like, don't do this. My eyelashes are stuck in the blood.
Yeah, we're pretty much done here.